Hello everybody, I have my hands full here. I'm going to start cooking, and today we're going to make a Tuscan chicken. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have them all out here today. I'm going to use olive oil, salt. This is the sea salt, that's what we're going to use. We're going to use cherry tomatoes, garlic, 5 cloves of garlic, pepper, fresh pepper. Or if you don't have fresh pepper, that's fine. Use the one in the little bottle, it works the same. Spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, the ones that come in this bottle, oregano powder, and whipping cream. We're going to use half a cup of whipping cream, and last but not least, the most important ingredient, which is the chicken. Yeah. Okay, I bought this chicken. It's pretty big. I think I might make it all, or I might not. It all depends. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice it, since they are so humongously big. I'm going to slice them in thin slices and see how they come out, and see how many I can get out of these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this first. 2 more ingredients that we need to add is Parmesan cheese and chicken broth, but I have this one. It's a beef broth that I used the other day, and I need to use it, so this is what I'm going to use. I don't think it's going to make a big difference. I'm going to alter the recipe a little bit. It's going to be good. I cut the large chicken breast. That's the one that I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you how I cut it. Okay, this is how I cut it, in like thin slices. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to put it in a skillet. A skillet with a little bit of olive oil. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Turn this light. Okay, so as soon as this heats up, we're gonna put the chicken in there, and we're just gonna saute the chicken a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and mince the garlic. Okay, we're gonna lower it to medium-high heat, and we're gonna put the chicken there. Okay, we're just going to brown them on one side first and then the other. I'm trying to make sure that they all touch the bottom of the pan, that they don't overlap one on top of the other, so they brown evenly, they cook evenly. Okay, let's try to turn them. They're still not. Okay, we'll leave them there for about 3 to 4 minutes. 4 minutes, we're gonna leave them there. Okay, so they were on this side for 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes. So now we're gonna take them out of this pan. Oh, this one browned nicely. Now we're gonna add here. Okay, so we have the garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper. Now we're gonna add a little bit of the beef stock, which the perfect one would be the chicken. So oregano, garlic, salt and pepper, and a little bit of the beef stock. If we need some more, we will add some later. Now we're going to put the tomatoes, the cherry tomato. These cherry tomatoes are big, and the heat is in medium. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it lengthwise. Yes, I know there's an easier way to cut these tomatoes. Okay, so now we're gonna add the sun-dried tomatoes. Let's put a little bit of the little oil that it brings. Okay, so now we're gonna add the cream. Some of the cheese, the spinach, a lot of the spinach. Remember, the spinach reduces. When it wilts, it will reduce. So we're going to put a lot of the spinach. That should be good, just like that. I put some broccoli there to boil, so we can have that on the side. Some broccoli on the side. Okay, so I'm gonna increase the heat a little bit just so we can get the spinach wilted, and then we'll add the chicken. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the chicken back in here. The chicken back in here, and I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna put it in medium heat, and I'm gonna cover it. We need to make sure that the chicken is cooked on the inside. Okay, I'm gonna turn the chicken. Make sure they cook thoroughly and even. Oh my goodness, it smells delicious. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so the broccoli is ready. All I had to do was it was frozen, so all I had to do was just boil it. So now I put here in this pot to boil water, and what I'm going to do there, I am going to throw some linguine pasta in there. And once it's ready, I'm going to put butter on it to accompany our chicken. We're going to leave it here maybe like 5 more minutes while the pasta is cooking. We're going to leave the chicken. I lower it. I'm going to lower it a little bit more. The heat to medium low. Medium low, yes. Okay, so I'm going to add the linguine here. That should be good. Not too much. Now we wait for about 10 minutes and then we're ready to eat. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the chicken. I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want the sauce to reduce anymore. So I had it cooking for about 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna turn it off and we're gonna wait for the linguine to be ready so we can eat. Okay, so I put some of the linguines here with I put the linguines here with a little bit of butter and some garlic powder. I put the broccoli right on here. I sprinkled some cheese, and it had a little leaf of kale in the package of the broccoli, so I left it there. And now we're gonna serve the chicken. Okay, so let's give Ivan a really nice piece, a couple of nice pieces. gorgeous with some of the little sauce over it. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, Ivan is going to do the honor like always and try all three things. Well, you're going to have a mouthful. The main thing is the chicken. Good? Mm-hmm. How is the chicken? Is it like seasoned enough?
Mm-hmm. Okay. It has that Italian Tuscan
good
zest to it.
Okay, great. Thank you for watching, and please come back again, watch my other videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you can get notifications. May God bless you all. Ding, 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 ding. May God bless you all, and take care. Bye bye.